Okay, I jacked it up a little bit right here to get it broke loose. Boy, it's rough. I didn't know if I could get it broke loose. What I'm doing, I put this on here to help push down. It didn't work. But once I got it jacked up, broke loose, I got it coming up. This is not normal for the way I do this, but hey, you gotta try something different all the time, right? No sense in doing the same stuff over and over, right? I'm gonna let this sit another 30 minutes. I don't like carving wet concrete, but that's what I'm gonna try to do. See a little hole. I pulled that out and you can see it kind of didn't stay where I wanted it to be because I pulled the center out too quick, which was this piece. All right, I'll try in a little bit.